Now I want you to set up your data like this. Uncheck the country, the product ID, the order, okay? Throw the amount in the values as well as in the rows. You have the same item in the sum as well as in the rows. So that's why initially there will be the same values because we have not done much with it yet. So what I want you to do next is right click in the second column, which is sum of amounts, and go to value field settings. In the value field settings, I want you to go to count and click OK. And right now you can see that all the items are appearing only once, and there are total 213 items. Okay, that's fine. Our next step. You right-click on any one of the values, and you click on Group. Now, that's a different way of grouping because these are all numbers, right? So when you now click in Group, it now asks you, what would be your grouping? And you'll be like, you know what? My grouping will be starting at 1. My largest value is 10,000, and I want to have a group of thousands. So my first group will be from 1 to 1,000. My next group will be from 1,001 till 2,000, and so on and so forth. So I'm starting at 1. I'm ending at 10,000. And each group will be 1,000 numbers. And click OK. And here you go. You can see the grouping like that. That's basically how you can do your frequency distributions. And you can chart that as well, you know. Let me go to in Analyze, Pivot Table, and here you go. You basically charted your distribution. Just to visualize, and that's about it. Now, let me ungroup this. And let's do a slightly different thing.